Today we'll show you how to fix your display capture. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your OBS and go open it. Okay, just now the first. Okay, you have this is a plane. Just go to here and click to display your capture and okay. Okay, just you will like this maybe and you like this, and this is not working. Did you see? We have now display and not working here. Okay guys, and did you see? Just now follow these steps. Just click with the right and go to property like this and go to this and don't click this. Okay, just finally just always click automatic. Okay guys, and click OK. You can force this here and you can capture the cursor of the mouse like this is, and click this for remove it. Okay, did you see? Okay, just now like this, and finally this is display capture. It's working. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.